I must be mad, but that's prototype 2, and I've cut her down and she's tight by 10 mil here, and what I've not factored is half the width of the spring on the seat, but she will come down for the side of that, but the springs are too close in proximity. But that needs taking in that distance in, but that's a good general height for prototype 2. I've got to make her shorter, and of course I'm a little bit confused to where the walls are, so I'm just going to make it narrower across the top. And for the space of the battery, let's get the battery, let's have a quick look in there. And it's touching at the back against the mudguard. I must have been mad doing this. January bloody day. So let's get the battery. Let's get the battery in and let's get it positioned and show you how much ancillary space I've got. So USB out here, fuse box integrated in here, but as we can see, I need to reduce the size of my 8-hour 3D print and bring it in a few millimeters. Have a look at that side as well. Very unscientific. Okay, that concludes my below freezing Green Lane battery prototype update. So let me just show you what I'm looking at doing. It's so that when the seat is on, the box is level. Can you see it? It's not seated properly. I hope you're all of the opinion, like some people that know me, that I'm absolutely bloody mad. Thanks for watching.